Good morning everyone, this is Chandrakala. Now we will see the question answer of chapter number 11, the power of speech. As we always do, first of all we will write moral, that is we should speak politely. This is moral. One more moral is given at last of the chapter. If you want to write down, you can write that one. Otherwise we should speak politely. Next we will write word meanings. So in first paragraph we will not write anything, but in second paragraph one word is revered. Revered means respected. Revered means respected, R-E-S-P-E-C-T-E-D, respected. Companion means people working together. That means those people who are working with you, people working together. After that we have one word, that is greetings. Greetings means wishing. Greeting means wishing, W-I-S-H-I-N-G, wishing. On next page here one word is index. Index means a symbol or which shows. Okay, conclusion. So index means a symbol. Now we will do the question answers. So the first question is, when the king got lost in the forest, whom did he meet? Answer is on page number 29, first page of this chapter. He met a holy man. He, this H will be capital, here it's small. You will convert it into capital. He met a holy man, only up to here. Second question is, who were accompanying the king or him? So his bodyguard and chief minister were accompanying him. His bodyguard and chief minister were accompanying him. This is second question. Now third question is, how did blind man know that king's chief minister and bodyguard passed him by? Page number 29 again, last paragraph, third line. Here I is written, instead of I we will write he. He came to know them by the way they spoke. After that we have to write down, this is full stop. After full stop you will write down, chief minister spoke with courtesy whereas bodyguard was rude. Or you can write bodyguard spoke rudely, R-U-D-E. Listen carefully. Chief minister spoke with courtesy whereas bodyguard was rude, R-U-D-E. It's not clearly visible but it is R-U-D-E. Bodyguard was rude, R-U-D-E. Then portion B, do you think courtesy in speech is important? Give reason. We will write from here, courtesy in speech is important because it make a good image, and as we behave with people, they will also behave in same manner. Because courtesy in speech is important because it make a good image, and as we behave with people, they will also behave in the same manner. As we have already written a lot of things in last chapter about courtesy, so I have not written much. Next thing I am saying again that wordings can change. So whatever was given in the classroom, that was also okay, and this is also okay. You can write any one of these. Thank you.